इसमें सर्दी के मौसम में टेम्परेचर कितना ही माइनस में नीचे क्यों न चला जाए, भारत रूस की दोस्ती हमेशा प्लस में रही है, गर्मजोशी बनी रही है।
Marking a significant diplomatic win, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent visit to Moscow proved fruitful as Russia has announced the release and assistance in the return of all Indian nationals forced into the Russian army during the Ukraine crisis. PM Modi kicked off his visit to Russia on July 8 as the trip also coincided with the NATO summit in Washington, D.C. Ahead of PM Modi's visit, a spokesperson from the Kremlin said the West is watching this visit with jealousy. They are jealous. That means they are closely monitoring it. Their close monitoring means they attach great importance to it. And they are not mistaken. There is something to attach great importance to, the spokesperson said. Meanwhile, PM Narendra Modi will today address a community program in Moscow and interact with the Indian community. Notably, PM Modi is visiting Moscow for the first time in 5 years after the invasion of the Ukraine, and Indian nationals' release was one of the top agendas for India as allegations had surfaced in the previous months of people being deceived into joining the Russian army through fraudulent recruitment methods. It raised serious concerns about the situation of Indian nationals caught up in foreign conflicts. In an interview with a global news platform, an Indian academic and columnist from JNU, Happy Moon Jacob, spoke on the matter at large, pressing on the concern on PM Narendra Modi's visit to Russia and the prior need to prioritize the safe release of all Indian nationals trapped in the Russian army, regardless of their state of health. He further highlighted that Mr. Modi and the Indian government view it as crucial to engage with Russia, especially when China is deepening its ties with Moscow.
Well, I think in the scheme of things between India and Russia, this is clearly one of the important things that I am sure Mr. Modi will converse with his counterpart in Moscow. But I must say that, however, difficult and an issue this is, and heart-rending, the images that I just saw on your program, this has not really dampened the spirit of the bilateral partnership between India and Russia.
As the two leaders are ready to meet on Tuesday, the Ministry of External Affairs officials have said the visit must be seen in a bilateral context. However, it did not deny the fact that it also indeed New Delhi's considerable show of support for ties with Moscow amidst the conflict. In addition, India will also seek clarity on Moscow's growing dependence on China, given the India-China ties post-Galwan clashes near LAC in 2020.
We're looking at a lot of engagement between China and Russia today, going by the bilateral summits and the other engagement between the two sides. And I think Mr. Modi feels, and the Indian government in general feels, that it would be unwise for the Indian side not to reach out to Russia at a time when China is reaching out to Russia in a big way.
Meanwhile, the release of Indian nationals can be seen as a development that illustrates the strong bilateral ties between Russia and India and follows extensive negotiations between Russian President Vladimir Putin and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. During their private meal, PM Modi raised the issue, emphasizing India's steadfast commitment to resolving conflicts through diplomacy and dialogue. The effective resolution of this humanitarian issue represents a milestone in Indian foreign policy, reaffirming the country's proactive approach to safeguarding the welfare of its citizens abroad and upholding international standards. In addition to addressing urgent humanitarian issues, PM Modi's visit bolstered India's diplomatic standing amid global uncertainty. While PM Modi's diplomatic victory in Moscow highlights India's role as a responsible global place dedicated to peace, stability and the security of its citizens worldwide, this move is expected to bring relief to affected families, demonstrating the enduring friendship and strategic alliance between Russia and India amid ongoing management of complex geopolitical challenges. However, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky condemned this high-profile meeting as he took to his social media handle, labeling it a massive disappointment and severe setback to peace efforts. He underscored his dismay over the meeting between PM Modi, leader of the world's largest democracy, and Putin, whom he described as the world's most bloody criminal, amid deadly Russian assaults.